Amazing. This is awesome. I am so muchly happy this night. I am happy that physics has been translated into Igbo language. In Nigeria today, the only language that is being used to teach physics is now Igbo language. And it is being done by this guy you are seeing on your screen this night. He is no other person than Maazi Okoro Ogbonnaya. I remember vividly about a few months ago that this guy came on air. He came to the social media to announce to the world that he is going to translate physics that is written with English language, that he is going to translate it, or he is going to use Igbo language to translate or to teach physics. And you can see today, that is what this guy is having in his hand. You can see him. He finally translates English language that was used to write physics to Igbo language. This is awesome. Not everybody can do this. I am telling you, it has never been heard of. This is the only time that we are hearing that physics will now be taught in Igbo language. Oh, this is awesome. This is awesome. This guy needed an award. This is the type of people we needed to award in this country. It is not easy. You are translating forces, motion, velocity, momentum into Igbo language. This guy needs an applause. I am telling you guys, this guy needed to be applauded. Do you know what it means? That we can now teach physics in Igbo language. Where are Igbo scholars? Where are Igbo professors? This guy needed to be recommended. This guy needed to be celebrated. Do you know what makes the Chinese great today? Do you know why China suddenly moved from third world country now to first world country? It is because they translated sciences, all these forces, velocity, momentum, motion, time, and so on. They translated them into Chinese language. Yes, if you go to China today, you notice that they don't even have to do anything with English language. Everything about science is now taught in Chinese language. Even the TikTok that they use there, it is in what? Chinese language. Notice the product, some of the phones that they sent to us from China to Nigeria. You notice that some of them are written what? In Chinese language. This is what makes China great today. They converted sciences, chemistry, physics, biology into their language so that even a newborn baby that is a year old, 2 years old, 3 years old can just speak, who can read how to speak China, can just pick the textbook and start using it. So that is what Maazi Okoro Ogbonnaya did. That is what this guy did for us today. If you don't know, he on his own changed the language of physics, the English language. He decided to convert it to Igbo language so that my son can wake up tomorrow morning, pick the textbook if he can speak Igbo. And do you know one unique thing about what this guy did is that if you understand Igbo, you can find it very easy to understand what they are saying in physics. If they are talking about motion, linear motion, if they are talking about Faraday's laws and so on and so forth, light, electricity, and so on, you will understand it in your own mother tongue, in your own mother language. This is why what this guy did is unique for those people that don't understand. It will make even a layperson in Igbo will understand what physics is all about. Imagine, you are not going to be hearing anything about velocity, momentum, energy, electricity, magnetism, momentum, forces, pressure. You are not going to hear anything about them because sometimes if you say something like that to my mom in the village, she will be wondering, what is the meaning of velocity? But now, any teacher that is teaching physics will be taking children with this Igbo language and physics. Imagine they can walk to my mom and say velocity in Igbo language. My mom will understand what they are saying. That is why the Chinese are great today. That is why China are great today. They have converted and translated every other thing that they are using to their own language. Even machine language is being translated to Chinese language. This is why Maazi Ogbonnaya Okoro needed to be recognized specially. Now listen to what Maazi Ogbonnaya Okoro have to say after translating the physics language from English to Igbo language. Hear him because he did a great work here. Over the years, I have read so many threats facing the Igbo language and how it will go extinct. This motivated me to embark on this project that seems unattainable. For science subjects to be taught in Igbo, I started from physics. I said I will do it, and I did it. This book is designed in a way that one without formal education can understand physics. It is needed in all libraries, schools, homes, and for individual use. Go get the book directly from me. His WhatsApp number is 070 26 333 066. Let me take it again. His WhatsApp number, if you want or you needed this book, is 070 26 333 066. His email address is okoromarkogbonnaya@gmail.com. Let me take it again. His email is, in case you needed this book, is okoromarkogbonnaya@gmail.com, and a copy is sold at 9,500 naira. You needed this book. You needed this book. For those that want to transfer money to this guy, to Okoro Mark, if you know you needed the book and you want to transfer money to him, his account is Mark Ogbonnaya Okoro, Zenith Bank, and the account number is 2256179 Thank you. Maazi Okoro, before I forget, you have finally translated physics that was written in English language to Igbo language so that we can understand the forces, velocity, and so on. I like chemistry so much, so you have to do justice to chemistry too. Even biology. You have to translate other science subjects so that Igbo language will not go extinct, so that Igbos, even those that have not gone to school, will understand science. Thank you.